I guess going in 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In. Blue eye goes left. It's on mid. Stay range. We need one more eye. Blue eye's out. Alright, come in. No more eyes. Alright, everyone on frozen. Drake spawns right after this. Back to our original position after this. Go. Drake is spawn. Blue eye go 90. Alad, someone watches.
Drake is north, I believe. Behind the tank.
On my target, start shooting it. Say as Dve. Punt. Bring the dragon, bring the Drake in. Thank you.
Have aggro, interrupt.
Blue eye. Air.
Yeah, no. Gonna refreeze say.
Okay, why are we getting eyes?
No eyes, move in. We don't need eyes yet.
No, now we do it.
Frozen with fatigue.
Guys, shift to me, shift.
Please
don't spawn eyes until Chili tells. I have 3 people frozen that don't need to be. We need one more.
Now we need an eye again, and we have a Drake coming. Never mind. Drake in group.
Everyone on Bali. Guys, over here. I don't know where you're going.
Interrupt Drake. He's dead. Second Drake. Interrupt.
Blue eyes on Ginzu, on Ginzu, on Ginzu, on Ginzu.
Nice.
Punt.
Fatigue.
Blue eye.
And melee till Chili calls. Don't spin them if you have aggro. You're gonna get some tail swipes. You can't spin them with aggro. You have to call. Alright guys, we're gonna shift to the star because the Vetugs are...
We do need eyes now.
Eagle's eye.
Someone's got it.
And get the minstrel up if she doesn't have DNF.
Blue eye, blue eye, blue eye. Air res the minstrel.
Explosive as Bethogs.
I am frozen. I can't do anything.
What is it? Okay. Should we get a stun right now?
I've got DNF.
Okay.
Everyone on Ginzu, move to me.
It's Bolly's got my DNF, by the way. Get Bolly first.
Okay. When I'm unfrozen.
Yep.
Please stop freezing me. Now I have
There you have.
Stay
Everyone.
there. Or that's fine.
Is everyone on the star?
I'm frozen in a rhyme.
We're gonna actually shift left. So punt.
I need heals, I'm gonna die. I don't have a DNF.
Get everyone healed up, then
Blue eyes out. Poke her. I have Vitox backing up.
I got a rest, thank you.
Heals to Philly. Everyone shift to the star, guys. Blue eye spawn. Everyone on the star, please.
We need an eye now.
We have an eye.
We have one. Okay, good.
Alright, everyone to Ginzu. After this, guys, we're moving to the star. So make sure you follow me. Blue eye, just stay where you are. Follow me.
Oh, fuck, it's me again.
Right here, guys. Everyone right here. Right here. Right here.
Just 5.
Who has a res? Hunt.
I have a DNF from Velvet Mage.
I mean, I have a res, but I'm frozen.
You shouldn't be frozen anymore. Blue eye, go left.
Just unfrozen.
Res the minstrel.
You can start spawning blue eyes after this.
Res is in, minstrel's up.
I got Vertex.
Anyone else have a DNF? Heals on Alad, please.
Billy has a 1 from Velvet Mage.
Blue eye goes in
I-
45, 40. Perfect. Sorry, say again. Who should we be res?
Billy has 1 from Velvet Mage.
Res Elven mid. Everyone on Bali.
Done.
As soon as this is over, move back to where the dead corpses are. Blue eye stays. Move back. Blue eye stays.
It's on Contra.
Either captain of a res. Hunt. Hunt.
Nope.
Okay. Just heal and sustain.
90 seconds on my right.
Fatuk, can you take aggro, Moxie?
Alright, you can start spawning eyes now.
Step back. Spawn eyes. First eye goes 90. Don't stand in the rhyme. That's a digs. You
No,
can
no,
go.
no, no.
You can go closer to her, like in front of the rhyme, not behind the rhyme. Second eye 45. Everyone on con, then move back to original position. Blue eye stays. Digs move, digs move, digs move.
I have a res in 10 seconds.
Move back. Air stay. Everyone else move.
We do a res.
Yes, you res Elven Mage.
I have Vertex.
Punt and heals to air.
Okay. Can res, you can start spawning eyes.
Air has her
Air's gonna
scan.
get refroze.
Second eye 45. Don't refreeze.
This is really tight space here. I'm gonna refreeze air because there's no room.
No worries.
Next time.
Polkader has Vertex. Heals to Polkader.
Okay, air. I guess that solves that.
Brilliant. Feel like I'm being watched.
Who has a res?
Should be
10
stunned
seconds.
in a moment.
Okay, you'll get both of us.
There it is.
Heals to Elvid. He has V2.
You can get it either myself or your.
Okay. Original position. Blue eye stays. Res both of us now.
Vitix
Raising
on Philly.
Oh,
Never mind.
finally.
Got a DNF again.
Okay, punt, and then we're gonna move to the start. We need to reposition. Too many V2. Everyone to original position. Come on. Good. Everyone's alive. All right, guys, just stabilize. I'll hit a token.
When he dies now.
V2 go on Elvid. Heals to Elvid. There's an eye. There's an.
Vitix on Philly.
Say.
Gonna move back. And one more I should do it, I think. No.
Everyone on say keep DPS. We're gonna phase after this one, so just be ready to go. Blue eye stays. Everyone else moves back with this.
Someone say again.
Do you think we can phase him in time?
Yep.
Alright.
Punt. Punt. Guys,
Nice.
don't fucking drop rhymes in the. Like, it's not complicated. On the star, guys. We should try to spawn an eye. If we have
Spawn
to.
an eye then.
I'll just DNF that person. Blue eye is on some.
Contra.
I'll DNF.
We should be getting a stun right after this eye, thereabouts, maybe. No.
I
6 seconds.
got the DNF. I got.
Okay.
Everyone to me. Healers, tanks, and the LM is going right. Everyone else is going left. Ginzu, get the dust and the twist and the disables on everything. And then come. Nid, make sure you get the ice drake. Thank you very much. Everyone down. Jump through the water. 45-second make haste at the shore. Wait till everyone's there. Contra has a DNF. There we go. Everyone right here. All right, 45-second make haste.
Someone's gonna get a Vitix as well, probably. Or not.
Didn't see it.
Ginzu, make sure you get the, when you get to the left grim, you get the exploit opening, and then 10 seconds later, you get the marble. All right, here we go. Self-heal yourself, DPN.
Gonna need an interrupt.
Interrupt on the right.
Banner's at maximum range.
Good, we're good.
Lobby's up.
It's in.
Fuck.
Marksy.
I don't have a DNF.
Interrupt.
Interrupt.
Got a res. Thank you.
Net hog.
Interrupt.
Okay, we're fine.
Interrupt. Interrupt. Everyone move over. Interrupt and move. It'll bleed. It'll bleed. Everyone move over. Go. Full DPS on this. Ginzu, ready, enable, and CJ. All marks on that grim, please.
Get into the cranny, guys.
Let's go, guys. Finish it the fuck
Sure.
off.
Marksy, move into the cranny as well when you can.
Moxie's
Nidhogg
leading
in
to
harm's
the
way
wall.
last.
We got about 6 seconds for the dragon.
Nidhogg last.
Dragon is off the bridge. He's looking at us in a second. That's it. Go. Go.
Everyone
go.
out. Everyone out. When you move through the portal, nobody move when we get out there. Nobody move. I'm repeating, nobody move. Nobody moves, guys. Everyone stay still. That's great. That's great. Great job. Excellent. Excellent.